first 5 minutes, my mind was just everywhere. Like, I was like, okay, what am I going to do? Am I going to die? Am I going to drown? Like, am I going to be able to hold on for as long? And I, like, started crying because I didn't know, like, if I was going to die or not. And I looked at the family friend, and he was just, like, looking at me, like, so scared. And so I reached around because the cross was on the back of my neck, so I couldn't reach it. So I was, like, scrambling to reach it, and I was, like, holding it for a good 10 minutes, and I was praying the whole time.
Put it around your body. Put it around your body.
They were being calm with me, and when I was scared to put my arm through, they were just, like, motioning at me and telling me what to do, and that helped me a lot. When the guy landed, he ran over to me and asked me if I was okay, and I just thanked him because he pretty much saved my life.